If you're looking for an easy way to schedule meetings in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule meetings quickly and efficiently within TeamGate, and also give you some insight into the features and limitations of the software. Stick around till the end, because I'll be recommending a competitor that might suit your needs even better. First things first, when you log into TeamGate, the dashboard will greet you with a clean interface. To schedule a meeting, the first step is to navigate to the Activities tab on the left-hand side. This is where all of your upcoming activities, including calls, emails, and meetings, are listed. Next, you'll want to click the Add Activity button. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear where you can select Meeting as your activity type. From here, you can assign the meeting to a specific deal or a contact, making sure everything is tied to your CRM data. It's a simple process, but it's important to mention that you need to have your contacts and deals organized in advance to fully take advantage of this feature. The third thing to note is the meeting details section. You can set a specific date, time, and duration for the meeting, making sure there's no confusion later. TeamGate CRM also allows you to set a reminder for the meeting, which can be incredibly helpful if you juggle multiple meetings on a daily basis. The reminders are customizable, so you can choose when you want to be notified, before or after the meeting. Next, after filling out the meeting information, you can select the team members you want to invite. If your team uses TeamGate for collaboration, this is a great way to ensure everyone involved in the meeting is on the same page. However, a limitation here is that the system doesn't offer integrated video conferencing features, so if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, you may need to rely on an external tool like Zoom or Google Meet. Now, let's talk about syncing with your calendar. One of the things TeamGate CRM does well is its integration with external calendars like Google Calendar and Outlook. After scheduling the meeting, it will automatically sync to your calendar, so you won't have to worry about double booking. However, this sync can sometimes have a delay, and there's no real-time sync, which can be frustrating. Another important thing to consider is the overall flexibility of the scheduling feature. TeamGate CRM is good for basic meeting scheduling, but it doesn't offer some of the advanced features you might find in other CRM systems, such as in-depth reporting on meeting outcomes or advanced meeting analytics. Now, let me be transparent. TeamGate CRM does the job when it comes to scheduling meetings, but if your goal is to scale your scheduling and CRM needs even further, there are alternatives that might work better for you. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. By using our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and some unique benefits that are only available to our viewers. These alternatives not only provide meeting scheduling, but they also offer better automation, more advanced features, and deeper integrations with other software. So if you're serious about boosting your productivity and streamlining your workflows, stick around, check out the link in the description, and start your free trial today.